Hey guys, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this quick video, I will show you how to reset Kodi on an Amazon Fire Stick and Android TV, Google TV streaming device. By doing this, you can reset Kodi to factory default settings without uninstalling Kodi and then reinstalling it. I'm going to first start with the popular On 4K Pro Android TV box. You will see I have Kodi installed right here. All I'm going to do is go up, move over, hover over the gear icon, click the gear icon, go into apps, see all apps, highlight Kodi, move over, and click clear data. Click OK. Now when we go back to the home screen and we launch Kodi, you're going to see it's exactly how it was on day one when we first installed it. Again, when you do this, you're losing everything. You're putting it back to default settings. Now, before moving over to the Amazon Fire Stick, I do want to mention that this is the perfect opportunity to supercharge Kodi with my free guide that will show you how to install the best working add-ons with a few clicks. My guide is updated on a regular basis to ensure that you're always getting the latest and greatest add-ons that actually work. To get my free Supercharge Kodi guide, simply click the link in the video notes below or scan this QR code with the camera app on your phone or tablet. The free guide will be delivered to your inbox immediately. Okay, now I'm going to move over to my Amazon Fire Stick, and you will see Kodi is installed right here. I'm going to go to the end of the list, hover over my profile image, move down, go to Applications, Manage Installed Applications, and we're doing exactly what we did on the Android TV box. I'm going to click Kodi, click Clear Data, hit OK. Back to the home screen. I'm going to launch Kodi, and again, you're going to see exactly how this behaves right after you do a fresh install of Kodi. Everything is back to factory default settings, and we're now ready to supercharge Kodi with my free guide. Guys, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos like this. I hope you have a healthy and happy day. Thanks for following Troy Point.